ranging from the unadulterated power of a Smith Wesson to the refined accuracy of a Colt. We examine the top 357 Magnum revolvers of 2024. With these weapons, a new champion in the field of Magnum excellence appears. At number 5, we have Smith Wesson 66 Combat Magnum. Have you ever experienced the overwhelming power of a firearm that both demands respect and renders you speechless? All of these and more are the Smith & Wesson 66 Combat Magnum. This work of art has a sturdy stainless steel framework that blends style and durability. The barrel is one of its most remarkable features. It's a piece of art unto itself. Usually ranging in length from 2.75 to 4.25 inches, the medium-heavy barrel form contributes to a balanced weight distribution that makes regulated and accurate shooting possible. But what actually sets this Magnum apart? It's precision engineering, my friends. Each shot has the sensation of a carefully orchestrated power shot. Unbelievably accurate results are guaranteed by the precision trigger pull that is in perfect unison with cylinder rotation. It's a symphony of controlled power, not just a rifle. The dual-action trigger enables a smooth, deliberate stroke in double-action mode and a sharp, light trigger pull in single-action mode. This versatility lets the shooter choose between rapid fire and accurate shooting modes based on their preference. When chambered in either the .38 Special or .357 Magnum, this revolver has amazing stopping power. Shot after shot uniformity is guaranteed by the smooth, efficient revolving of the precisely fitting 6-round cylinder. The 66 Combat Magnum offers a user-friendly, yet potent experience, regardless of shooting level. The ergonomic grip, which is often composed of synthetic materials or textured rubber, lessens recoil and enhances control, making for a comfortable and secure hold. Perfect targeting and target acquisition are made possible by the adjustable sights, which are another example of this attention to detail. From its stunning design to the sheer force it releases, it's a journey that every shooter ought to take. What are you waiting for then? Buy this work of art. At number 4, we have Chiappa Firearms Rhino 40 DS handgun. Ever wonder what happens when raw power meets state-of-the-art design? That's the Chiappa Rhino 40 DS that we're examining today. Let's examine this beast's details. The first thing that catches your eye is the distinctive barrel position. It's positioned low, in line with the bottom chamber, as opposed to the typical top-mounted barrel. This is a design feature that lowers muzzle rise, which gives you more control and quicker follow-up shots. It's not just for show. This is when the exciting part starts. Beyond its attractive appearance, the Rhino 40 DS is a performance beast. With a strong pull that begs to be felt, the double-action, single-action trigger is as smooth as a fresh jar of peanut butter. This kind of trigger makes you respect shooting as a craft. But hold on, we're not quite done. The ergonomics of this piece are really alluring. With each stroke, the grip provides comfort and control since it fits your hand like a well-fitting suit. It's an extension of who you are, not just a revolver. Now let's talk about the cool factor. Not only is the Rhino 40 DS fantastic, but it's much cooler than the cushion across from it. It's the kind of gun that encourages you to boast about your accomplishments at the range. I guarantee you'll draw attention. The Rhino 40 DS from Chiappa Firearms is more than just a handgun. It's an artistic and creative statement. This rifle is ideal if you wish to improve your performance. Number 3. The Magnum MR73 Sport. We're moving into the highest level of accuracy today with the Magnum MR73 Sport. This revolver is loaded with the deadly .357 Magnum round, which has a significant muzzle velocity. Whether you're at the range or in the field, the MR73 Sport's Magnum prowess guarantees that you're prepared for every situation. Large power entails great responsibility, but the MR73 Sport holds its ground. This revolver's robust construction and clever engineering provide excellent recoil control. You'll experience a precise and well-controlled kick that will let you follow through with more force and accuracy. The .357 Magnum cartridge is not the only one that can be used with the MR73 Sport. In addition to being a multi-purpose revolver, it can fire 38 special rounds, which increases your options for ammunition. A marksman's spine will tingle at the finely refined barrel of the MR73 Sport. This revolver stands out from the crowd due to its renowned accuracy, whether it's used in competition or at the range. The MR73 Sport's double-action trigger is a work of art, providing a steady and smooth draw with every shot. However, its single-action mode offers an exhilarating sensation akin to a hair trigger. The outstanding adjustable sights of the MR73 Sport enhance your shooting experience. To ensure you hit your target with exact accuracy, the revolver may also be equipped with optics if you want to go one step further. The MR73 Sport is a customizable blank canvas rather than a one-size-fits-all model. You may customize this piece of art by choosing from an endless array of grips, finishes, and accessories. Your options are only limited by your creativity. Underneath the technical mastery comes a rich past. Both police enforcement and competitive shooters have utilized the MR73, and it has proven its mettle in some of the most trying situations. It's a legacy more than a weapon. Therefore, go no farther than the Magnum MR73 Sport Symphony of Precision if you're searching for a handgun that skillfully blends form and action. Number 2. The Smith Wesson Performance Center Model 327 TRR8. The Model 327 TRR8 revolver from Smith Wesson Performance Center redefines cool. Think about this. A thin, sophisticated frame that radiates accuracy and quickness. The TRR8 is a speed demon designed for people who desire both substance and style, and it's more than just a gun. With the 8-round cylinder of the TRR8, you can fire off more rounds without constantly reloading. The revolver is designed to hold 3 and 6 Magnum rounds. Every shot matters because of that exact controlled force, not just strength. What makes the TRR8 unique, though? It's the protocol of the Performance Center. Think of it as the VIP treatment for guns. Gunsmiths work meticulously, fine-tuning and perfecting every last aspect to produce a masterwork of exceptional performance. The final outcome? A revolver that is fun to fire in addition to being dependable. Let's examine the barrel in more detail. It's a 5-inch masterpiece with precisely rifled edges, not just a tube. Smith & Wesson's commitment to accuracy is evident in the TRR8's ability to hit the bullseye with surgical precision rather than just hitting the target. Now let's talk about adaptability. The TRR8 is more than simply a one-man show. It's a void that is ready to be filled. With Picatinny rails, you may customize it with accessories that match your shooting needs and flair. It's an extension of your personality, not just a weapon. It's your path to an amazing shooting experience, so it's more than simply a gun. And ultimately, the Colt King Cobra target comes in at number 1. Since the King Cobra target is, let's face it, gorgeous, let's start with the appearance. In addition to being robust, its stainless steel frame has smooth, elegant canvas. The revolver's curved and angular features serve as a practical purpose, as well as an aesthetic one, providing an ergonomic grip that resembles an extension of the hand. Can a handgun be a high-performance tool and an artwork at the same time? This contains spoilers. It is feasible, yes. Holding the Colt King Cobra target, chambered for the .357 Magnum, is more like handling a piece of precision engineering that releases a controlled burst of force with every pull of the trigger. What makes it unique, though? The fashion. It's a marriage of form and function, not just ergonomics. All of the features, including the grips and curves, are carefully designed for control and comfort. This revolver feels amazing in your hands and has a stunning appearance. The King Cobra Colt target isn't just about looks and power. It's about hitting your target with exact accuracy. And folks, guess what? It's not only for experienced shooters. Anyone looking for a modern take on history will enjoy it. The Colt King Cobra target is an adventure waiting to be had, not just a gun. More than just a flashy feature, The Colt King Cobra Target Revolver is a tribute to tried and true dependability. This is a buddy you can trust, shot after shot. It's more than simply a pistol. This gorgeous revolver is a testimony to the successful fusion of classic style and modern utility. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, power, and accuracy, rather than just a gun. In the vibrant field of .357 Magnum revolvers, we've examined the best selection of 2024 revolvers today. Every firearm is more than just a technological apparatus. These revolvers, whether conventional or avant-garde, represent the pinnacle of strength, creativity, and leadership in 2024. If you liked the video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.